next. This is First Alert Weather.
Neville has been tracking this all afternoon long, and sure enough,
it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot, and we were talking about that chance of seeing a severe thunderstorm watch, that 60% chance, and here we go, pretty much right over that area I mentioned about 5 minutes ago. Severe thunderstorm watch. This includes all the metro, all the counties you see here in blue, until 11 o'clock this evening, and the main threats we'll need to keep an eye out for will be the potential for some damaging wind gusts, also some large hail. So again, severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock this evening. Are there any thunderstorms out there right now? At least locally, no. The Missouri side and Kansas side, we're currently dry. We have some storms that are well off to our east, a little bit closer to St. Louis at the edge of your screen. Then looking back towards the west, seeing a pretty strong thunderstorm now flaring up to the west of Topeka near Junction City, Kansas. We'll see more storms firing up in that area I just showed you under that severe thunderstorm watch over the next couple of hours. So I know that we're dry for now, but I think that changes between now and 7 o'clock this evening. Currently, as we look towards the west, we're seeing now more of those cumulus clouds puffing up, and it's hot out there, a lot of heat. So we've got the heat, we have plenty of moisture in the air. That's why if we do see any storms that develop in the area, they have the potential of becoming severe. Look at the temperature, 95 degrees, as hot as we've been all year long officially in Kansas City. And then check out that heat index. That's the highest I've seen it so far this year, 106. That's what it feels like right now. Actual air temperatures, 100 for Overland Park. Same for Grandview and Lee Summit, 98 for Independence, 98 degrees for Olathe. We're at 102 in Ottawa. Same for Garnett, 100 for Clinton and Warsaw, 93 degrees for Odessa. Factor in that high level of humidity in many areas. We feel like we're in the triple digits. In fact, back up above 110 for those heat index levels for Butler. Garnett feels like 113. Again, one of the highest in the world right now, the heat index that high. So you still have to take it easy if you do have to be outside the next few hours. Along with that chance of thunderstorms and that severe weather risk for the next several hours. So weather impact for a number of reasons through the evening hours. Make sure you're staying connected, whether you're watching us here on TV or you have our KMBC 9 News app, so you can get those alerts. You can get that radar on the go. 94 degrees at 6 p.m., 87 at 8, will be 81 degrees at 10, 78 degrees at midnight. Now let's talk about that storm timeline. Here's Future Scan. It's actually picking up in that one thunderstorm that's not too far from Topeka. Next several hours, more of those storms developing. That's a look at 9 p.m. And we're going to keep those storms around through our late evening hours. Here's midnight. Overnight and early Saturday, showers, some thunderstorms. We're going to get rid of that severe weather risk overnight. And tomorrow morning, I think just mainly off and on showers, but then later in the morning, we actually get some dry time. So looking drier, lingering clouds overhead. And then as we head into the afternoon, some thunderstorms will try to redevelop for the second half of the day. Severe threat relatively low there, so I'm less concerned about severe weather for your Saturday afternoon. So your 12-hour forecast, weather impact in the morning for scattered showers, trending drier for the middle of the day, impact for the afternoon for scattered thunderstorms. Notice the cooler temperatures. Instead of mid to upper 90s, we're talking mid-80s tomorrow. 86 and sunny on Sunday, 91. We heat back up on Monday, 4th of July, 94 humid heat index levels. I'd say mid to upper 90s on the 4th of July. Storm chances Wednesday and Thursday, and then look at the cool down. How about highs in the low 80s by late next week?